One of the hottest AI trends right now is about to collapse in the next 12 months. It will happen quietly, just like every hype cycle does. If you're building your strategy around it, you should listen up. We're talking about prompt engineering as a standalone career. Right now, it's everywhere. Promises of becoming a certified prompt engineer. People claiming you can earn 6 figures writing prompts. Companies seemingly desperate for prompt engineers. It sounds like a dream job. Low barrier to entry, high demand, and future-proof. But here's why I think this trend won't survive the next year. Let me give you a real story. Last year, a founder I know was excited to hire a prompt engineer. He had seen the headlines and impressive salaries. He thought this was the missing piece. So he hired someone to optimize prompts full-time. For a few weeks, results were impressive. Better outputs, cleaner responses, more structured results. But then things started changing. AI models improved, interfaces improved. Tools added built-in system instructions, templates, custom GPTs, memory, fine-tune options, and agent frameworks. Suddenly, the secret sauce wasn't so secret. What took real skill a few months earlier had become the default. That founder no longer needed a prompt engineer. He needed someone who understood his business. That's the part people miss. Prompt engineering isn't a lasting advantage. It's a temporary interface skill, and interface skills fade as tools mature. Think back. In the early days of search engines, knowing advanced search felt powerful. But today, Google just understands you. Social media used to demand smart growth hacks. Now algorithms adapt rapidly. AI tools are evolving the same way, making it easier for anyone to get good results. This is how they increase adoption. The simpler they are, the bigger the user base, which means value shifts. It moves from who can write the cleverest prompt to who knows what to ask and why. That's about domain expertise, about strategy and judgment, not just clever prompting. Don't get me wrong, knowing how to talk to AI is useful, but as a skill layered over others, not as a separate job. People who struggle will be those staking their whole career on, "I'm a prompt engineer." Because when models can interpret vague instructions, and they will, that specialization shrinks. Winners will be marketers, developers, analysts, and operators who use AI effectively. AI fluency will soon be expected, not extraordinary. And once a skill is expected, it doesn't command a premium. This happens in every tech wave. Early mastery feels special, then it becomes standard. So if you're learning AI now, take this advice. Don't build your future on being an interface expert. Build it on creating value and let AI boost your impact. Because leverage grows over time, but interface tricks fade away. Now I'd love your take. Will prompt engineering still be a high-paying, standalone career in a few years, or will it blend into other roles? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you want more honest perspectives on AI, what's durable, what's just hype, subscribe. Remember, the real goal isn't just chasing trends, it's understanding which are truly worth riding. See you in the next one.